The use of the verb been. Been is the past participle of the verb be. Been is never used alone. अकेले नहीं यूज होता है, इसके साथ दूसरी verb हमेशा यूज होती है, since it's a past participle or it's a participle. That's why the first use of been is that it is used for an experience or it is used for going somewhere and coming back. Means गए और वापस आ गए. This sentence completes these two actions. I have been to Paris twice. ठीक है, तो मतलब ये एक्सपीरियंस भी डिनोट कर रहा है कि मैं पेरिस जा चुका हूं, उसका एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका है मुझे. और इट ऑल्सो डिनोट्स दैट आई हैव बीन टू पेरिस एंड हैव कम बैक. मैं वहां गया था और वापस आ गया हूं. लाइक अनदर सेंटेंस वी कैन से आई हैव बीन to my grandmother's home recently. I have been to my grandmother's home recently. Means मैं एक्सपीरियंस किया ग्रैंडमदर के घर जाकर और फिर वापस आकर यहाँ वापस हूँ. When I am telling this, so it is used for this. The second use of been is that it is used in perfect continuous tenses, whether it is in present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous. Like I say, I have been playing since morning. I have been playing since morning. So I am using it in present perfect continuous tense. I have been means an action which started sometime earlier and is still continuing when I am telling or when the subject is telling. जब subject बता रहा है तो वो action तब भी चल रहा है. तो इसका sentence structure क्या होता है? सबसे पहले subject आएगा, फिर has या have आएगा, फिर been आएगा. ठीक है, and then continuous form of the verb, that is ing form of the verb will be used with it. Similarly, in past perfect continuous, अगर कहेंगे, it is also used in past perfect continuous. For example, I say, I had been working hard for the examination for 2 years. I had been working hard for the examination for 2 years. ठीक है, so इसके लिए भी past perfect continuous के लिए भी been का यूज होता है. या जैसे कहें, he had been working at the office for 2 hours when the rain started. यानी कि दो एक्शन एक साथ चल रहे हैं. An action which started sometime earlier in the past and another action was also going on along with. दूसरा एक्शन भी उसके साथ चल रहा था. So been का यूज इन दो चीजों के लिए यूज किया जाता है. फर्स्ट इज फॉर एक्सपीरियंस और गोइंग एंड कमिंग बैक, एंड सेकंड इज इट इज यूज्ड इन present and past perfect continuous tenses. Hope you understood the use of the verb been. Keep learning with Ankur.